Hey guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Envision digital dash from AutoMeter, and we've installed it on this 1986 Chevy C10 with special thanks to Harrison's Rods and Customs. The Envision digital dash is great for giving any worn-out dash an updated look. It provides a direct fit solution for classic Chevy trucks and cars. The Envision is an all-in-one dash that monitors the speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, oil pressure, water temperature, and volts. The dash also features an adjustable RPM range of 8,000 or 10,000 and displays in imperial and metric measurements. The speedometer also easily calibrates to OEM or aftermarket speed sensors. This is great for street and performance vehicles who are looking for something customizable, vibrant, and modern. It has 3 user-selectable displays and a 12.3-inch LCD display. You can also adjust the brightness of the dash for day or night. As far as the installation goes, we rate this a 7 out of 10, and it'll take you about 3 to 4 hours to complete. The biggest thing here is definitely the wiring, so if that's something you're not super comfortable with, check out our dealer locator below to find someone in your area to help you out. Another thing you want to keep in mind is that if you have an older style transmission, you're going to need a speed sensor that's not included in the kit, but you can purchase that separately. The Envision digital dash has a 12-month limited warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Envision digital dash from AutoMeter. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Performance Corner in the garage.